Gotcha. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and look at problem number 25 from the homework. So it'll be in chapter 25 exercises, page 602. Okay, so this one says values for the labor force participation rate of women, LFPR, are published by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. We are interested in whether there was a difference between female participation in 1968 and 1972, a time of rapid change for women. We check LFPR values for 19 randomly selected cities for 1968 and 1972. Shown below is software output for 2 possible tests. We can see that there is a paired t-test of mu of 1 minus 2, and then they have a 2-sample t-test of mu 1 minus mu 2. So this is one, this is another one. For part A, it says which of these tests is appropriate for these data. Looking at the fact that they're going to be for women in 19 randomly selected cities, we are going to be looking at what it was before and what it was after, or what it was in 1968 and what it was in 1972 for those randomly selected cities. So because it is paired, we're going to be using the paired t-test. So for A, we can have an answer of the paired t-test is appropriate. And we can say, to support that, the labor force participation rate for 2 different years was paired. And that's the major word that is important, is paired by city. For part B, it says using the test you selected, state your conclusion. So our conclusion here is going to be based on the p-value that we found for that test. So we can say, since the p-value equals 0.0244, there is evidence of a difference in the average labor force participation rate for women between 1968 and 1972. And then we want to state, or we want to then answer the question. Don't forget to answer that initial question, or that last question that they ask. The evidence suggests an increase in the participation for women. Okay, so that is question number 5.